I will show you how to fix Roblox not launching. First type under Add Remove Program. After you click this, search for Roblox application in the search field. Then click Uninstall. If it doesn't solve your problem, try the following method. Go to Windows tab, click CMD. Then try following this method. Type this CD user's your Windows name. Then enter. Then type again CD updatean local. After that, type rmdir s Roblox. Click Y if there is such an option. Then you go to Roblox Web to reinstall the application. Good luck!
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.